Hello everyone, welcome back to another Stormwind Studios video. Today we're going to be talking about the potentially historic winter storm coming to Oklahoma and potentially very dangerous cold coming as well. Let's get right into it. Alright, so here we are on the warnings radar across Oklahoma right now. And we have a winter storm warning in effect for Woodward, Alva, Sayre, Lawton, Ada, Bartlesville, Tulsa, Muskogee, Oklahoma City, Norman. And also, we have a extreme cold watch in effect for the same areas, it looks like. Yep, the same areas, but it goes into Guymon as well. So, we're going to be experiencing a big mixture of extreme cold and very dangerous road conditions over the next few days of this week. Models right now. Alright, so it all starts on Friday around 6 p.m. That's when, it starts really exploding. And looking like that, there can also be some very icy conditions across southern Oklahoma. But then it explodes at 9 p.m. This is covering majority of Oklahoma. The Panhandle is lucky right now. But then, next scan, it explodes even bigger. This is probably one of the worst looks of the storm. Because look, that blue snow color is dark, very dark. And then next scan, that super dark color moves on. This is the GFS, by the way. So around 3 a.m., that moves on, but there's still some pretty badness across Oklahoma, by the way. But then next scan, now we're moving into our Saturday time frame around 6 a.m. The snow kind of starts to wear off, but you can see still some snow across Oklahoma. But then 9 a.m. Central Oklahoma is majority of all the snow is gone. 12 p.m. there's just little specks of, there's still just little complexes of snow left. But then 3 p.m. it's gone. But that purple's still coming up, and it's gonna not, and it's gonna, I think that's ice. This is obviously a new thing. I've not used this one before. I used to use Radar Omega, but we're using this time. But then look, an entirely new snowstorm comes in on around 9 p.m. on Saturday. It comes in from the south. And then it pops off in southern Oklahoma. The worst part of this is probably going to be southern Oklahoma, but still, there's like Oklahoma City, Woodward, all those areas will still get impacted from this. But look at this. This is Sunday at 3 a.m. Quite the snow across southern and southeastern Oklahoma. But then it continues moving, and then eventually 3 p.m. it's around 3 p.m. 3:30 it's completely out of our area. So that is what the whole model is going to look like. I will play the model for you just to look at it, and then we'll roll to the next model if we can. And that's very slow. Hold on, it's getting there. Hold on. Hey, here you go. Okay, I'm just going to cut it here. If you don't see, if the next part of this video isn't the next model, there is no other model that shows this yet. Alright, that's all I have for you in this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. There might be a video tomorrow. We will see though. But for now, goodbye, Storm Warren. Stay safe.